One of the great things about working with Setco through our Spindle repair group is that Setco is in full control of all of our rework with all of our own machines here. As you can see here, we're at one of our Voumards where we do all the internal and external grinding to recondition tool tapers, your faces, your shoulders, most of your IDs for your coolant unions and things like that. So as you can see, some of the parts we're reworking to get those back to our assembly group so that they can finish the assembly and get your spindle back to you in original OEM condition.